And today, we're going to talk about how the Fed finds unbanked Americans are turning to crypto at a higher rate. Man, we're talking about banking the unbanked, baby. We're also going to look into the charts and see where we're at right now and where we're headed. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy Crypto Chuck back here, the group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, man, it has been a great day starting out. Man, shout out to everybody that is subscribed to the channel. So, guys, before we do anything, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel right here. All right, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And also follow us on all different social medias. We are at The Crypto Black on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok. So make sure you follow us over there, guys, on all different social medias. We have a lot of things happening. So, you know, just make sure you guys do that. But, man, I want to open up today, man. We're going to talk about how the Feds finds the unbanked Americans are turning to crypto at a higher rate. But, man, what I want to do is I want to at least shout out. It's the first thing when I woke up this morning, I looked at our chat, our trading chat in the mastermind, in our trading group, and the first thing I seen was this right here. Man, I was happy, man. I was so happy. We had one of our members, man, it took $100 to turn to 1,000, 10x it. You know what I mean? So this is what I like to see over, you know what I mean, after a nice good weekend. This is what I like to see. When somebody come in and 10x their trades, you know what I mean? This is what it's all about. All right. So shout out to that person that was in our group. I'm not gonna put their full name in, but shout out to Mina. And you know, it's definitely a great to see that, you know what I mean? Because we know what we're doing is right and people's lives are being changed. You know what I mean? That person could pay the bill off, some debt off, or take their kids out, or bought themselves something really nice. You know what I mean? With those gains. All right. It's nothing wrong with a 10x, baby. Ain't nothing wrong with a 10x. All right. Remember, if you do it with $100 turn to 1,000, you can take 1,000 and turn to 100,000. It's the same exact strategy, guys. Only the difference is the money, the capital that you put in. Same exact strategy. So learn those strategies, guys, and make sure you reach out. Before you guys want to do that, guys, make sure if you do want to reach out, you want to be inside live training. Holla at me, man. Click the link below. Get inside DCG, guys, where you guys be able to come in and actually see live training, live classes, and also get inside these chats, man. Get inside these chats, start making, you know what I mean? Start changing, you know, changing what you do. A lot of people are trading alone and they're not making good money. They're losing the loan, or they're not maximizing their opportunity. All right. Because most of these other YouTubers out right now, check out their videos. It's all scare videos, catastrophe, Bitcoin doing this, Bitcoin doing that. Guys, run with the tail between your legs and wait until halving in April of 2024. That's what most of these big time YouTubers that everybody was pushing, all doing a bull market, because they don't know how to make money doing a bear market. I'm telling you right now. All right, so guys, we're looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is above 30,000 again, so we do like seeing that. Bitcoin above 30,000. It went up to 30,000, about 30,670 for the day. So what we're seeing is, guys, it's pretty much tapping. It's tapping up here, right where we want to be at too. So let's look at it on the 4 hour. So for the week, we're up. We're positive for the week, guys. So we're at 1.14% for the week. We're still down 23.39% for the month. But man, we're right where we need to be. Bitcoin is trading sideways, basically, man. Been trading sideways as this big dip, but we're seeing a little push up. And we're right where we need to be. We gotta get above, though, guys. And Bitcoin has to make a decision. They're gonna make a decision soon. Bitcoin gonna make a decision, I would say, in the next, we're in a 4 hour, 8, 16. It'll be within the next 24 hours, Bitcoin gonna make a nice decision. It could be, you know what I mean? It could be within. That's all I'm saying, within. Next 24 hours, Bitcoin will make a nice decision. You see, we're gonna still push up and get above here and break out, or we're gonna push back down again. So it's looking like we might get a breakout. All right, even though we got a few candles showing the red, we could still get a breakout. if we don't have any crazy rhetoric going on, so or bad sentiment. But yeah, we could see a push up. All right, but guys, I'll see we might push back down to about 29,000, and then push right back up. But let's see how we all work out. But Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Like we might get a breakout, and that's exactly what we want to see. We want to see a breakout with Bitcoin. All right, but it's closing in. It's closing in. The walls are closing in, baby. So a decision is gonna have to be made. All right. I think we might get one. I think we might have a good one. But guys, it says Fed finds unbanked Americans are turning to crypto at a higher rate. See, that's the thing. A lot of people think about Bitcoin is about, and crypto, oh man, I want to buy it, get rich quick, boom, 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 boom. You're thinking about it from a Western world, first world perspective. Most of the world don't, and a lot of people don't have banks. It's banks all around the world, you know what I mean, in all countries. But a lot of people don't have banks, right? Or they don't use banks, right? So that's the power of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not, and I think the problem is a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people think Bitcoin is here to replace the dollar. Bitcoin is not here to replace the dollar. Bitcoin is not here to replace government. Bitcoin and crypto, well, Bitcoin, is made to be an alternative to the dollar. All right. If you want to get out of that system and you can be in your own system, your own ecosystem, where you can send and receive payments, settle payments and transactions amongst other people, your friends, your peers. It's a peer-to-peer settlement. All right, system to whereas people are able to do transactions and be totally anonymous. All right, and only people know what's going on, that transaction happening is between myself and the other person, right? Peer to peer, like cash, right? If I say, hey man, I want to give you $100, and I hand that person $100 for a $100 bill, nobody knows that transaction happened between myself and the other person. Reason being is because it's cash, right? But if I say, hey man, I'm gonna wire you $100, the banks knows what's going on. Everybody, anybody in a bank can see, hey man, this is what happened, and they can be subpoena or whatever. Anything can happen. I'm not telling anybody to do something illicit. What I'm saying is, a lot of people don't like Big Brother watching over every single transaction they do. So Bitcoin is an alternative to the dollar. So you're seeing a lot of places where people don't have bank accounts, and you literally can have a bank in your hand. All right, you have a bank in your hand. You're walking around on it, talking around on it, or you can have like a cold storage wallet, whatever you want to do. All right, but you can have a bank within your hand. So what we're seeing is that 12% of Americans bought or used cryptocurrency in 2021. According to the U.S. Federal Reserve Annual Survey on Financial Well-Being. And that's the people that submitted it. So it said people who transact with cryptocurrencies were twice as likely to be unbanked as people who don't use them at all. According to a new survey from the Federal Reserve, the Fed found that 13% of Americans using crypto for payments do not have bank accounts, up from the 6% among people who don't use crypto at all. So meanwhile, 27% of people using crypto for payments report they don't have a credit card, up from 17% of people who don't hold or use crypto. All right. So it says it's the first time a U.S. regulator posed a question about cryptocurrency to its 11,000 person survey panel in October and November. That was pretty much right at the height of what's called the bull market. And, we reached Bitcoin all-time highs. All right. And says the Fed has been conducting its annual survey to gauge the financial well-being of Americans since 2013. It said on a whole, the Fed survey estimated that 12% of Americans held or used assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum last year. Earlier this month, hawkish comments from the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee sent markets traditional and crypto into a free fall as a regulator announced that it would be raising interest rates 0.5 percentage point. As you guys can see right here, it says share without a bank, so credit cards, it's going up, guys, as you guys can see. So it said the new survey found that the people who use crypto for payments are also far less likely to have retirement savings. But the rate of retirement savings are roughly the same among people who don't use crypto, 27%, and people who use it purely as an investment. Yeah, because some people are, hey, it might not have retirement savings, but they probably say, you know what? Bitcoin is my retirement savings. Bitcoin is my retirement. Bitcoin is my savings. All right. So not only I can use it as a bank, it's all wrapped in one. I use a bank, I use a retirement, you know what I mean? And I can settle transactions, you know what I mean? And go and to send and buy, purchase things with my Bitcoin, or send it to different people or different friends and family members around the world, all right? Or around the country. So whatever you want to do with it. This is, it's also remarked that people who use crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum as investments tend to be wealthy. Let's say that again. It's also remarked that people who use crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum as investments tend to be wealthy. So it says those who held cryptocurrency purely for investment purposes were disproportionately high income. Those who hold cryptocurrency purely for investment purposes were disproportionately high income, almost always had a traditional banking relationship, and typically had other retirement savings, the Federal Reserve wrote. So the survey found that 46% of crypto investors had incomes of at least 100,000. People with an income of less than 50,000 made up 29% of crypto investors. So guys, what you're seeing is the wealthy is using it as an investment instrument, and they're using it as a hedge against the dollar and a hedge against inflation. I mean, as well. So, guys, what I'm saying is that's why I want to make this banking thing a bank. This is why I made this video. I think it's very, 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 very important for people to understand. Hey, look, Bitcoin, you can be your own bank. You're dealing with Bitcoin. You're dealing with cryptocurrency. You can be your own bank, right? Take this time, guys. I got a DCA video, dollar cost average video. Take this time, guys, and look at how you can dollar cost average. Look at how, if the last bear market, if you were the dollar cost average, how much you would have now. And guys, when another bear market, so what can you do? What can you do? What could you do the same exact thing? Because the goal is to buy low, sell high, right? If you're trading or anything like that, or if you need to go into your, your savings, your Bitcoin, there you go. Because your money just, in regards to inflation, we're seeing it 8%, and actually more than that. If you, the real numbers, you're talking about 20 and 30%. All right. So, but yeah, guys, I just want to do this video real quick and talk to you guys about how Bitcoin is banking the unbanked, and how Americans is constantly going towards Bitcoin to be their bank. But guys, this your guy Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. Guys, make sure you guys stack your sacks and chill. I'll catch you guys next video. We out of here, baby. Peace.